Okay, so I'm streaming right now because we have a Shiba Inu crash. Like the whole market is crashing right now live. As we're talking about it, it's crashing. Everything is crashing. If you're watching this video later on, please bear with me. We'll wait for a few people to join before we actually talk about the situation, because it's looking ugly. Definitely looking ugly. I will also tell you how I'm hedging my bets in this particular market. What? I think we got some grayscale news. Let's. What? Hello to everyone that just tuned in. Just say hi if you're here. You win if you hodl. I agree, Kenny. You gotta hodl. The easiest way to lose all your money is just selling on dips. You gotta buy dips, not sell dips. But we're gonna talk about everything. My strategy in the current market. Keep in mind that the video is not financial advice. I'm a random dude on the internet. Like, share, subscribe. Also, I'm sponsored by Bybit. If you wanna check and get the bonus, check the link in the description down below. They're the best place to leverage trade in terms of fees. Hey Kenny, hey everyone that's joining in, just like the video and comment in the chat that you're here. Let's get more people in the chat. So yesterday we had one of the biggest grayscale unlocks with all those almost 17k BTC being unlocked. Price ended up mildly up. Not anymore. And the interesting thing about it, Shiba Inu Coin. What is this Turkish, Taner? Shiba Inu, look, that's grayscale. The situation is good because it's 8:30 a.m. I believe in New York time, and I think they're dumping before everyone wakes up. This might be uglier than we thought. This actually might be earlier than we thought. This can be the beginning of a huge crash right here. We have 20 RSI, and I do believe we can go down as much as we want from here. The weird thing is that RBT is also crashing, and FEVR. Hello, Abderrahim. Thank you for subscribing. Everything is crashing massively. Shiba Inu is crashing even worse. Right now, it's actually insane. I really hope we hold the 500 area. Hey, Decoy Hunter. This is the massive support and resistance areas that we've had. Normally, people buy in at 5% below the current price. If we fall 10% from here, it's going to be ugly. If we fall 10% from here, it's going to be extremely bad, ugly, and so on. The good, the bad, the ugly. I'm actually thinking about, should we were shorting a bunch of stuff in the morning, and I'm so unhappy that we sold, like, pretty much, we sold the ADA pretty much here. I alerted you guys on my Telegram, but now it's just gonna drop worse than ever. And I'm not super happy. Then pulling back from a massive lunge, everything linked to BTC absolutely feel we're crashing because of BTC. But this crash can be pretty massive. Everyone is talking about it, which is really bad. What are your thoughts on mobile trading apps? Like which one? I use Binance and Bybit, the trading apps. The good thing is FEVR. I told you guys about FEVR, guys and girls, about FEVR, and it's going up. Like I told you guys about FEVR here. I sold here, which was a big mistake because it went, way higher. I bought back in here, made a video on that. Also have some RBT, but it's dipping. Go to hate shib. Everything is going down, Phil, not just shib. Why do you hate shib? Because it's a meme coin? This is going to be very, very ugly, guy. By the way, very, very ugly. The drop that we will have now, and it's going to be very ugly. hopefully people just buy up at around 30k. Like this drop so far on Shiba Inu as well is not bad. It's actually healthy because people can buy in, and they've been buying in all the time. But now we have more uncertainty of the market than ever before. People are waiting for BTC to hit 20k before they back in. What do you think we should do if we are holding Shiba now? Look, I'm not a financial advisor, but I wouldn't sell with a dip. Like I wouldn't sell on 21 RSI, that's for sure. Because now you have these support levels 600s and 500s. Deserves to be a massive rug pull and a developer's no time lock. Yup. But I wouldn't sell right now, but that's just my opinion. And let's see if is anyone on Reddit yet. How is the SHIB army feeling? What do you think we should do if we invest in SHIB? I wouldn't sell at a dip. That's what I can tell you. I wouldn't sell now. I managed to sell a little bit earlier on some tokens, and we shorted a lot of things. Like if you went to my Telegram, I have a free Telegram. Like I don't charge for signals or courses. I told you guys I'll short ADA and BTC. Oh, we got a new subscriber. Oh, $5. Thank you, Darno. $5. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yo, check out Grom. Tell me your thoughts. Okay, I will do right now. What I think right now is that, I mean, we managed to short BTC pretty much here, but we just closed the position too early. Can you hear me? I think the stream is cutting off a little bit. Let me know if you can hear me. What do you think we should do if we invested in SHIB? Sebastian, I wouldn't sell right now. Okay, so let's check Grom. Thank you again, Darno, for the donation. GR. Oh, well, I can tell you, Ron, that it doesn't look that good. What happened with it? Was there... is there a reason this happened? Let's go on the website. The volume is $81. What? Am I on the right, Grom? Let me know. We can hear you fine. Okay. Thank you, Heraclitus. Am I pronouncing it right? Sorry. Chill. We're all good here. Yeah. You shouldn't panic, Sebastian, that much. I mean, this drop so far isn't bad. Like if we drop below 500, that's actually bad. But I would never sell at the bottom of the market. Even if it's dropping hard, I wouldn't sell. At the bottom, I would wait it out. Just a small example, you know, just something that I'm seeing right now on RBT on my pad on the left is that we just had a massive dip and people keep buying the dip, right? As you can see here. And some people sold at $69, instantly 5% above. Said perfectly. No, I'm glad. Darno, please let me know, did I check the right Grom? If it's this one, I definitely wouldn't buy any. The volume is $81 and it seems like a rug pull. Like any way you look at it, seems like a rug pull. Just check this out from you know, $5 or whatever to 2 cents. That's literally over 90% down. If you're wondering how I'm hedging this drop, I bought a lot of RBT and FEVR. FEVR we managed to get in early but sold too quickly when we 3x did 15x after that. Let this load. We pretty much bought in here. I have a video on it. If we go here, type in FEVR. I showed you that I bought like 3 grand of it or something here 1 week ago. Then I made a video again 3 hours ago when I bought in more. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible so that you know what I'm actually interested in holding. So my strategy to yeah, just got an alert that RBT is down, but it pretty much came back up. by 10%. That's why I never sell at the bottom. It's not worth it. My strategy to hedge the market is investing into new tokens. What do you think it's the future of SHIB? Angela, good question. We gotta wait for this dip to be over. We gotta weather the storm, because right now BTC is definitely crashing in the worst way possible. If BTC falls below 28k, SHIB can go way down, like to levels we never seen. It can go here if BTC goes below 28k. It's gonna be ugly. I really hope that doesn't happen, by the way. Really hope it doesn't happen. But yeah, so far, brief history, Shiba Inu lesson. Massive taking profit. People buying, whales buying here at the 600 area, basically right now. But everyone is waiting to see how BTC will react to this. Then we had the Coinbase listing news, which never happened, which is bad. Then a dip, some support. We broke below that dip. This dip was because of BTC, by the way. Then we have the Elon Musk tweet about Flocky, Shiba Inu, his dog's name. Then we went up again. AMA, people took profit. Shibaswap, people took profit, kind of like an M pattern right now, which is really bad. Every good news we have, people just take profit, which is not perfect. Like, this doesn't happen with BTC. This normally happens with meme coins, or, you know, coins that people are holding to get rich quick. FVR is going down quite a bit, just like everything. Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah, it is. Everything is going down right now, but FVR isn't going down that much. RBT is getting bought back up, so it's not that bad as well. So how is the Shiba Inu army reacting to all of this? That's what's interesting. That's what's actually interesting. Are people panicking? Daily discussion. Let's break down. Never introduce myself. I'm the CEO. Yeah. Of Watcher Guru. Just wanted to come here and say good luck to the Shiba army. Okay, good. That's some good PR for you, I guess. After paying all the gas fees, Ethereum logo makes sense to me. Love that upvoting. Supporting my SHIB army. This guy has quite a lot of Shiba Inu. $332,000. He pretty much lost 30 grand pretty quickly. Is this actually? That's insane. 300 grand Shiba Inu. That's insane. Yeah, this is definitely scary, especially if it drops below 28k. I'm not that worried, to be honest, because as I said, I'm hedging my risk by investing in FEVR and other high potential profit tokens that I think I can get a big multiple on. Let me just share the live stream, because maybe someone didn't manage to hear about it yet. Where is okay, we have some information from Grayscale as well. Let me know any tokens that you want me to talk about, and we'll talk about them right away. Just got a notification from Grayscale. Let's check this out, because that's actually Grayscale is launching a DeFi index fund that tracks the new Coindex DeFi index. CEO told Business Insider about its 15th product. This I don't like grayscale, to be honest. Today we're unveiling the grayscale DeFi fund, our second diversified investment product which tracks the CoinDex DeFi index. Accredited investors are now able to gain exposure to a selected of industry-leading DeFi protocols through the fund. What do you think is the Let me know if you want me to talk about a specific token. Just let me know in the chat. I will. But this is not looking that juicy. Let's see. Are we getting any buying signals on the 5-minute chart? Nope, definitely not. Even though the RSI is at 16, I wouldn't buy here. BTC has some buying signals because of the triple bottom here that's forming. Yes, but to have a confirmation, we'll need the MACD to go up or at least one green candle on the 5-minute chart. Maybe even on 2 green candles on the... Oh, yeah. We need something like this to actually have a buying signal for BTC and Ethereum. Okay, we'll talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is crashing because of BTC, obviously, but yeah, triple bottom. It's not looking as bad, to be honest. I think soon we'll have a buying signal. So now we have this double bottom. The fact that this bottom was on the 5-minute chart was a little bit higher than the previous one is a good signal, but RSI at this level is also good. Any support? Let's see on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, the support is at $100 below the current price. So we can go down by $100, which would not be an issue. Like, we don't want to go to 1,600, for example. But I mean, going to 1,700, it can be healthy. New buyers coming in. On the 30-minute chart, we have already had a bunch of buying signals on the MACD, which is a strong indicator, but it just broke out from the support area right here. Wasn't this channel suggesting we buy SHIB yesterday? Yep, it was, but I also called the top on SHIB. I told you guys every top we had. If we actually go down on my channel right here, I told you guys about the crash, Shiba Inu crash, the baby DOGECOIN. I predicted the crash from the top. Predicted the Shiba Inu crash 2 weeks ago. I told you guys to take profit on Shiba Inu. I told you guys about Shiba Inu like a lot of times. I told you guys that after the shibaswap, people take profits around the 600 area. From a technical standpoint, this is where you should be buying at. I'm not saying you shouldn't be buying. What do you think about Bullets? Okay, well, let's talk about Bullets. I don't like it. I checked the Telegram chat, and they didn't have roles, and they had too many people in. So what happens when you have like 10-20k people in a Telegram chat and don't have roles? Normally it means that a lot of them are bots. What 30% tax, Matt? Hello to all the new guys joining in. Yeah, Lewis, it will be sold on other platforms when other exchanges buy liquidity from EverRise, which is an issue because to get listed on an exchange, I believe you gotta pay something between 20 to 50k, and then also provide the liquidity, and so they can. Matt, I see you're insulting me, or something, but the message was held. I just clicked show. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. Repo, Charles, let's check that. Robust protocol. I'm in RBT and I'm interested in it. I'm not gonna sell. Like, it's my hedge against this dip right now. Okay, let's talk about XRP and then we'll talk about everything else. So you guys asked about Bullets. I won't buy Bullets. Tell you why. Basically because of the Telegram chat. So yeah, FEVR and RBT is what I'll hedge this drop with. I do believe that we will probably retrace from this area if we can defend, you know, BTC 28K. Like even 30K if we drop below that, it's not too bad. 20K is what we don't want to break. Are you still in Lunar? No, because I pretty much transferred most of my Lunar into FEVR and RBT, and some shorts, some money in Binance to short. We managed to short. I coded on the Telegram. I mean, if you guys want to know when I'm in and out, I will announce that on my Telegram chat. Telegram is free. You can see a link for it in the description down below. I want to bring everything that I can free. I called ADA, BTC, and CHZ shorts. We had 4 wins today shorting crypto. If you're still holding on to these shorts, you'll make a lot more. I just did some quick shorts because I also want to get trades right, not just maximize profit, but be sure to make profit. Ripple, I think Ripple is good. People are not talking about the SEC case that much, I think, right now. People are just worried that BTC will just go down from here. 50 cents is has always been a good area. The something bad about Ripple is that during this mini tiny bounce that we had on BTC, we didn't hit the 76 cents area, which is kind of bad. But the support is around this area, around the 50 cents area. So it looks like a buy, but on the 4-hour chart, you can see a bunch of buying signals like all around. But it all depends on BTC at this point. On the 5-minute chart, Ripple is, I mean, it looks like it's definitely oversold. Like this triple bottom, this. I mean, if we get 1 or 2 green candles and manage to reverse the moving average, that will help. Could you please talk more about RBT and planning to invest in RBT? Yeah, RBT is one of the best tokens you can buy right now. I told you guys about RBT pretty much on the 11th here 1 week ago. It 4x'd. We didn't sell at 200 bucks. Here is what happened. So robust token, we bought in here when I made the video. Bought in here, didn't sell here, which is probably a mistake because people bought in at 9 bucks. And we're taking profits, but from what I can tell, the old money that managed to buy and hold the $9 mark pretty much sold around the $200 area. So now what's going on is I do believe this to be the new accumulation zone, and my theory behind that supports that is just, you know, some technical analysis that I did. I did a few videos on RBT to prove that. I mean, that's just my opinion. I can be wrong. I'm a random dude. I just have a computer and do analysis just like anyone else can. But like most of the time, I am right. I do make a lot of mistakes, but most of the time I'm right. So definitely take everything I say with a grain of salt and diversify. You can't, you know, maybe I'll be wrong 5 times, then maybe I'll be right 10 times. So this is a buy signal. This signals an accumulation zone, a change in the moving average. Definitely this dip isn't helping that we're having. But from what I've seen, every time someone sells, and these small dips that we're getting are just from low liquidity on RBT tokens in general, because we just have a very low, you know, total supply. They just get bought out. And these red candles aren't very big. Like this is definitely not a, there's no accumulate. Look at this, the volume is not high. People didn't manage to accumulate yet. So I do believe we can get an accumulation zone as the price is going up, and hopefully we can break above the all-time high again, because now we're listing on CoinGecko as well. Do you think RBT has a future at challenging BTC? Basically, market cap wise, I don't think so, and we don't need that. But can RBT reach 30K or 20K? I do believe so. KCC pair is down. That's not great. So yeah, definitely right now what I will be holding as much as I can is RBT and FEVR throughout this this dip. And I'm pretty happy with my position. I'm down a little bit on FEVR on my new purchase, so I think it's not a bad idea to buy now. I mean, I'm still holding. Look at these green candles, pretty good. It's one of the best projects right now. No problem, Hook. Who are the founders of Robust Protocol? Well, that's a good question. Or who is the founder of Bitcoin? Who is the founder of Shiba Inu? Who is the founder? Okay, Doge, we know that. But here is what we know, Jazz. We know that RBT, the biggest whale in RBT didn't sell from what I've researched. That was last week. Hey, San Diego, 420. The thing I like about Robust Protocol is, okay, it has 3,000 people online, but and there are some things that are not great, but it has roles, which means chances are these people are online. Like most of these people are real people. Like it's normal for most tokens to kind of buy in some followers or some Telegram members, but like the complete scams do not have roles, and RBT has them. That's why I've checked in a lot into RBT, and I've checked in the morning from BanX to all these tokens. I managed to take a look at. So that's over 20 tokens plus the trending ones, and I couldn't see any that I would invest in except for RBT and FEVR. These are the only tokens I would buy in it right now. Like right now. Maybe there's other ones. That's just my opinion. Thank you for the likes, guys and girls. We've got 10 likes now. Which is pretty good. And 20 concurrent viewers. It's pretty early in the New York time zone. So I do believe that we might just bottom out. The way this structure is going on, like right now, and the fact that this dip is happening while most of the people in the United States are still asleep. I'm not that worried about this dip, to be honest. The more I look at it right now, the more I don't think we'll drop below 28k on BTC. But again, because I want to be right, I'm just hedging my risk by buying FEVR and RBT. That's the reality of it. That's the reality of it right now. Are more people talking about what is the SHIB community talking about on Reddit? Nothing interesting. Let me get something to eat. Yeah, I do. Real FEVR, I agree. FEVR is the most interesting token I've seen in the last month, probably. Good question, Krebs. 6 new likes. I do think 550 on Shiba Inu is a definite support area, but I would wait for a confirmation from BTC before buying in. If you want to buy the dip on SHIB. Have you heard of the upcoming Daisy token and their new platform? No. Can you let me know more about that? Can we buy limit in pool coin? I don't think so. I just buy for market. That's why you have slippage, basically. If you have any questions about FEVR or RBT, let me know in the chat, or if you want me to discuss any specific token, let me know. I'll go over everything. 7 new likes. Thank you so much, guys and girls. It really helps out the channel. Really helps out the channel. What can I say? FEVR and RBT are not dropping compared to other tokens right now. And every drop that we get, you can see just get eaten out. Like everyone just buys the dip. Please share about FEVR. FEVR is, look, the reason why I wanted to get into FEVR, KCC pad is dropping hard. Just getting some alerts. FEVR, again, we managed to buy it in here, sold here, which was a mistake. Went up. FEVR is new top shot of football. Absolutely, that's what I do believe in. And the way it spiked up, and the fact that not that many people took profits at an area that's 2x now, pretty much like 60% up for 5,000 to 8,000, says a lot. The FEVR pre-sale managed to get sold in 2 minutes. Like, which token gets listed on CoinMarketCap and get IO on the day of the live listing, basically, of, you know, when pancakeswap trading starts, and gets a pre-sale sold out in 2 minutes, gets a 15x in like 3 days after the release. That's just insane. That's the power of FEVR. I really do believe that FEVR, like, from here can 10x easily, because it's at 83 mil market cap. Like, baby Doge managed to get a market cap of 20x that, 1.5 bill, 20x. Like, you put in 1 grand here, it could be worth 20. And baby DOGECOIN has no utility. It's literally a meme coin that I warned you about like 1,000 times at the top. To FEVR 20x is in bearish market. Yeah, I do believe we can 20x from here. That's a 1.6 bill market cap. That's 2 times less than the market cap of Shiba Inu. And Shiba Inu's only utility is shibaswap, which is not bad. But if you think that swaps are a good business right now, you want to go on Google Trends and you want to type in token. Just type in token. Do that with me. And you'll notice something if you search for tokens in the last 12 months. You see that the biggest spike was in May. Meaning, and we're kind of on decline right now, meaning having a swap right now is not as profitable as it once was. Actually, check the volume of different exchanges. It fell like 40 to 50%, 60% on some exchanges in last month. Can FEVR 100x? That's an 8 bill market cap, definitely. Grom is a rug pull. Yep, it is, Darno. It is. The volume is $80. And it fell 95%. Cryptocurrency recently added. If we just go to the ranking, like an 8 bill market cap would put FEVR at, just below, above Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. Like, who cares about Litecoin now? But it will take some time. It probably won't happen in like a month. And now we have 1.2 users active. What, really? 2.5 download the game, Rio FVR. That's really cool. Let's check it out. Rio FVR, play fantasy. Maybe I can try it out. Let me just try it out. I'm signing in with my Facebook. Real quick. Let's check it out. Can you also check B-Moon? Okay, Adrian, I will. Okay, let's check B-Moon and then we'll see the game or the B-Moon token. B-Moon token. Can you let me know where I can find it? Is it on Beam? Oh, it's B-Mon. Sorry. B-Mon token. The Binance token. Okay, that's interesting. It's actually very interesting. Which exchanges is it? Okay, pancakeswap. It's actually very healthy. Let's check it out real quick. B-Moon. CHPay and Apple Store. Yep. Wow, check it out. Can you also check Bimon? Yep, doing that right now. So thank you for the 3 new likes, by the way. I'm really, really grateful. From 17 to 20 likes, we got it. Yeah, there is a definite support level that you can see from this breakout pattern emerging here at the 30 cents area. Post support, previous resistance, now support from the previous all-time high. 89 mil market cap. It's definitely not a bad project. I'm not, I don't know anything about it, which is weird. It's a pretty big project. I don't know why. Or a new, I forgot, I don't know. Binamon, yeah. Binamon. Let me check it out. The next AXS, a complete metaverse of digital monsters. What? It's actually pretty cool. Group announcement channel. What? That's actually really good. Manage your valuable connection. When is it starting? What? There's some charity minimum first. Some of these sell for quite a lot. This is actually very interesting. I'll check more about it soon. Why did I miss this? How did I miss this? When did it come out on CoinMarketCap? Oh, it was in June. Huh. How did I miss that? That's insane. That's insane. It was 7 times cheaper. Like a week ago. It pretty much blew up 6x in last week. Up to like 9x. Is next x infinity. Yeah. It's interesting. Okay, let's play some FEV fantasy real FEVR. It's very famous in Philippines. Yeah, I saw that they have the let me disable my ad blocker. I saw that they had different languages for the Telegram chat. Now it's official. You're awesome. Oh, thank you. I'm awesome now. I need a team. Pick a competition to enter. Insert token. So basically you have different leagues. Look, the reason, how do you see how many people are in the game? Like online currently. Does anyone know on FVR? Let me know in the comment section. Oh, and by the way, there's, I do believe that by the end of Q4, that's just my opinion, even sooner, I do believe FVR can be and has a place on Binance. That's just my opinion. Easy tokenomics. Very, very easy tokenomics. Like public private sale, that's an X, a big multiple from the private sale. The tokenomics are really good. Token distribution is really good. Yeah. And I really like the whole packs thing. Like people, Logan Paul and other YouTubers, imagine people or real FEVR somehow giving some FEVR packs to Logan Paul, and instead of him opening up Pokemon cards, him opening up collectibles from the fantasy leagues. That's gonna be insane. I'm actually very interested in how these leagues work. Does anyone know? Can someone let me know in the comment section? Because I want to check it out. The game. I'll probably watch some YouTube videos right now. Play fantasy. Fantasy real FEVR. Are there a lot of YouTube videos about it? Let's check it out. Real FEVR. 1 million users feed football video NFTs. Real FEVR. Okay, I'll actually check it out a lot. I'll spend a lot of time in after this stream to oh, the market open. So the stocks are also down now. Check out DOGECOIN token. Okay, I will. Why not? DOGECOIN token. DOGECOIN. DOGECOIN token. I don't think Doge tokens will perform well. Like, it pretty much stopped buying any. We made a lot of money on cousin Doge with 3x or 4x, and we also made like a 5x or something on no Doge, but we lost money on Lick, which now I'm really careful on what I invest in. Soft drink token. The first reflection token, soft drinks at the same time. Every buy gives members more with the autobus and hyper reflection system in place. Composition. What's inside? Some Doge. Auto boost. No whale sales. Out anti-dub block. In order to discourage sales, the whale and feels the fees is higher on sales. Holders will be rewarded more. So what are the tokenomics? How does selling work? Buy fees. Sell fees are actually 18%. Look, I like the fact EverRise proved that it's good to have these tokenomics, but when people sell, they still sell. It pretty much, you know, devalues the idea of swing trading the token. But I don't know, there's just too good tokens to pass. Where can I find DOGECOIN? That can be a rug pull. Yeah, it could. I would just buy FEVR, to be honest, and RBD. And Binamon actually seems really good, but I would wait to buy that dip. The reason why I bought RBD and FEVR is because I mean, everyone was talking about, and Pablo, you know, Pablo, the guy on TikTok, everyone's pretty much talking about a dip, a crash that's gonna come on BTC. Like, this is not something new for us. Everyone was anticipating. Okay, that's basically the buy signal. If you're waiting to buy some, we might get a buy signal on BTC. I would buy here. I would buy BTC here. But the reason why I wanted to get into FEVR and RBT as opposed to other tokens is they already dip. They're pretty good fundamentals. RBT, you know, the scarcity, the $1 million token from the tech lead guy, proved that this can work with the right marketing. Plus, FEVR is just a great project to hold. So, like, if you have a few $1,000s laying around, I think it's better to do that. Like, that's what I did, at least. My opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a super random guy. I can be wrong, but FEVR right now is super hot. And I don't think we'll be able to buy our FEVR at the rate we can buy that right now. I just don't. But I wanted to check more about the game they had. Yeah, a lot of people just dumped like 5 grand. These are, but we also have a 4 grand buy order. Some people are also, that was 30 minutes ago. So I will definitely buy this. 63 trillion X shish stake and still not change the circulating supply of Shiba Inu. Why? I have no idea, Sam. And not only that, the thing I don't like about Shiba Inu right now is the fact that every time we have a good announcement, what happens is people are waiting for it and we have a dip. This is kind of like Shiba Inu mapped out. Look, we had this Coinbase listing news, dip. AMA, dip. But AMA was also a disaster, that's why. People were just asking when Lambo and when 1 cent. Then we had, you know, Elon Musk tweet, the flock Shiba Inu tweet, dump. Then we had the shibaswap right here. dip. So every time we have good news, people are just waiting for the good news to do a dip. Now we're waiting for ethereum listing, but they're teasing us for too long. Like we already forgot about the Coinbase listing. Weren't we entitled to a Coinbase listing a month ago on the 15th of June? They said we listed on the 17th. They didn't. People are just getting tired of Shiba Inu. I would buy Shiba Inu not to hold it, but to swing trade it. Rio FVR top project. I agree, Pedro. It is the top project right now. Like I've literally, look, I invest into new currencies, right? I want to find new currencies. By the way, I will check Binance. And I checked every single thing. By the way, Omni, I like Omni a lot, but it's already went up too much. I checked every single one of the new tokens. They're not good, in my opinion. I won't buy into ethereum predictions then. I don't think, like, I think that we can get a boost of like 30% from ethereum, from the anticipation and all of that on Shiba Inu, but people would dump after that. Like, if you want to hodl something, FVR is better. I checked all of this. Look, this is all meme coins. Little Doge, Godoa, Prestige Doge, and some of the tokens I've checked, they're solving the same issues. Why would you buy any of them? They're solving issues that don't need to be solved or already solved. What happened with Wolf? Wolf was kept going down, like the whole market. I'm not buying into tokens that are solving the same issue. What? I think we just had a massive pump on RBT. What is going on? Someone bought a lot of RBT. Is it some of you guys? We did have a pump 15 minutes ago. It was at $80. From $71 to $82, that's like 30-40% increase, like instantly. Boom. Stop eating sweet things, but this dip is just too sweet. I'm telling you guys right now, I'm the only YouTuber that's super gaming NFTs hot. I agree. I'm the only YouTuber that shows you all of his trades, even the day trades, for free on his Telegram. I do that for free. I show you how much I buy from each token. I do live streams. I'm super transparent. So if you diversify and also do your own due diligence, combine it with your strategy, listen to a few more other YouTubers, right? Develop your thesis on the tokens we talk about. I think you do great in the crypto market, definitely. And I do believe that in a few days we'll talk about RBT, and I'll make a video. I told you so. Just the same way I told, I called out the Shiba Inu top. I called out the Baby DOGECOIN top. I called out the 36k BTC crash. I called out Cuzzy Doge, Baby No Doge, Ultimate GG. What happened? It just went down. And you know why? This is something new that I think Ultimo GG, it's because of the gaming NFT. This is why I want to, or gaming in general, in streaming, in social media, like Omni did great. For some reason, Ultimo GG didn't. And it's really weird, because they had a promotion from a Fast and Furious 9-star, but it just keeps going down. Like, if you want to hodl it, I think it's a great idea, long term. But short term, I don't know. There's better projects. Like for right now, I'll buy an FEVR RBT. That's what I would buy from the tokens. Like, because they're at a discounted price. Ultimo, yeah, maybe I would, because now it's at a dip. Wolf, I wouldn't buy now. What wouldn't I buy now? I would buy Shiba Inu because of eToro, because we can get a boost from that. Because we also have some confirmation from BTC. Right here. Yeah, definitely it's looking good. I'm not worried anymore. And also, just think there's better tokens. The thing is that a lot of tokens are already solving a problem that should have been solved, or there's just too many people that managed to buy too early. Like, even if a project is good, if you have a whale that went into with 10k like a normal, everyone has 10K. Like, come on, that's a car. Like a cheap, like no okay car is 10K, right? You sell your car, you put it into a token 10x's or 20x's. Oh, hey Leo, thank you for subscribing. 10x's or 20x's. Now you have 150 grand from 10 grand. You sell that 150 grand, you dump the market. That's what happens when you when people buy early on a project, buy them with nice volume. They now have a bigger, you know, a very big skin in the game, and they can rug pull the project. For example, Lick, the project I told you about, and some other tokens that we bought. When I spent like 2 grand on a project with 150k market cap, I literally have over 1% token. I can just sell it at one go. I just can click sell all on pancakeswap because you dump the project. It goes up 3 times. Market cap is like 600k now. You can't sell, you know, with sell all. You gotta sell like 10% of the time. KCP, check my Telegram, Adrian. Like right now, what I'm holding and believe to go up, there's only 2 things: RBT and from the tokens, right? From unlisted tokens or kind of unlisted. Gate IO included, FVR and RBT. That's what I'm holding. Like a lot of. I've got a lot of RBT. I've got it on a few accounts. I've showed you. I can show you where I bought it. I think I did a lot of big. I don't want to show too much information right now because I'm a little worried about, you know, my funds being stolen. Who is Telugu? What? Okay, so FEVR. Yeah, bought a lot of FEVR today. I want to show you something. RBT. Look up. This is when I bought more RBT. I want to show you something, but I forgot what it is. Yeah, Ultimo GG. No idea why this project failed. Probably people just managed to buy too much of it too early, and yeah. Look, I lost a lot of money on both these projects. KCC Para spent 2 grand. Ultimo I spent 2.6 grand. I probably lost like 3 grand from these 4.6 grand. I know how it feels to lose, but yeah, we're up 4x on RBT, and I didn't sell. Swap. This is when we bought a bunch of Lunar. No Doge, we were up so much last week. I'm trying to find. Yeah, Oros was also not a good project because it's pretty much solving a problem that's already solved. That's what I think about the current state of the market. I do believe, in general, we'll rebound from the way things look right now. We might just rebound from here. I don't think we'll touch and go to 20k. There's always the possibility to go down because right now people are more fearful than they ever were. RIP China. What happened? What happened with China? Is there something I don't know about? New CoinDesk article. Okay, now we have Grayscale CEO on new DeFi fund. Okay, yeah, that's really good. I mean, all the news we have right now are good for the crypto space. Plus, we have the I covered that yesterday in a video. The that's not good. I'll probably make a whole video on that. But there's futures being sold. Bank of America. Binance accuses Chinese state actors of ransomware. I'll check it out later. I gotta head out. I've got my phone is ringing. I gotta pick this up. I hope I helped you out in any way. I'm just here to serve you. I'll talk about everything that you need help with. I'm here to help. I do this full time. I have an e-commerce business, so I'm at home all the time, and I have a lot of free time because it's pretty much automated. I've got my YouTube channel and my tokens making me passive income, so I can do this, without making you pay for signals, courses, and all that jazz, and have enough money to live and to have fun with investing into crypto. Definitely be very careful when you invest, though. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, because these tokens can moon, tank at any time. Hi Zilix, have you seen Miobu? Check the Twitter of Flocky Miobu partnership. Okay, I will. I will. But I just gotta head out right now. It was a pleasure talking with you, guys and girls. And I'll probably release a few more videos tonight. If you haven't subscribed already, don't let the algorithm trick you. It might not cover you any of my videos anymore, so subscribe. Chart doesn't look too